Hello, I'm Clarice Gentillon, and I'm going to be showing how Jupyter Notebook implements functions using Python as compared to the application MATLAB. In my usability tests, it was found that Jupyter Notebook outperformed MATLAB when it came to beginner usability. Creating and implementing functions was one test in the set of tasks to determine this. As you can see, I have already programmed a simple polynomial function that calls on two variables, x and y. If this were done in MATLAB, the function polynom would be saved in an entirely different file with a function declaration in it, and the file had to have the same name as the function itself. That way, when the main program calls upon it, it can find the correct one and utilize it. In Jupyter Notebook, though, you can see that this particular function utilizes two lines of indented code and then is implemented in the print function by specifying the values of x and y in two different points that I wanted to test. This difference in how the function is created and then used and then printed is one of the main usability factors that made Jupyter Notebook and Python programming language slightly more beginner-friendly than MATLAB. Thank you.